Okay, one last quick video on data validation. Let's talk about circle invalid data. So let's suppose you've got some data that's already been created. What can you do to find out what data doesn't meet a desired criteria? So for example, in the file Circle Invalid Data, temp, Circle Invalid temp, basically we've got some numbers and we've got some names. Let's suppose you want everything in that column to be a number. Could you circle everything, particularly if it's a couple 100,000 rows in red, that is not a number? Okay, well you can set up that criteria from the last video. Select this range, is number, so data validation, and we'll say custom, let's say equal is number, and we started in row 2, right there. Okay. Now, that's not going to particularly highlight anything that's invalid, but at this point, but if I go data, validation, circle invalid data, look at that. Everything that was there that doesn't meet the criteria I put in gets highlighted, which is really, really cool. Now, if I tried to type a name in there, it's not going to let me, but at least I can find the invalid data and show it really easily, make it easy to find. Okay, in our next video, we'll start talking about case special value capabilities. Then we'll talk about 3D formulas, and then incredibly important feature that very few people know about, the table feature, not to be confused with the data tables we learned earlier. But the table feature, if you adopt it wholeheartedly, will save you lots of time and really amaze you.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytic stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.